You don't want to go? You don't want to go outside? You don't want to go outside? Sit. Good girl. You ready? There you go. Yeah, we're gonna go. Hold on. Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to another video. Today is gonna be a cleanup day and a decorating day. And what else? We're gonna
decorating the tree, wrapping presents.
Yeah, we're gonna wrap presents.
Tomorrow's Christmas Eve, right?
Tomorrow's Christmas Eve.
Wait.
It is.
Okay.
Tomorrow's Christmas Eve. We're gonna be decorating the tree, wrapping presents.
We started Christmas late.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Decorating the tree, wrapping gifts. Butter's gonna be getting a bath. I got her harness and leash on. Right now, I don't know if we're gonna take her for a walk right now, but I'm gonna try to tell my husband to let's take her for a walk while it's early, and then I come back and give her a bubble bath, and then we can start the rest of the stuff. So let's go outside. Wanna go for a walk? Yeah? Yeah. Go for a walk and then come back and take your bath? Yeah? Yeah, wait on your mama. Oh, let me give you some room. You don't even know how to act out here. So after we get done walking her, she ain't been walking in a long time, but after we get done walking her, we're going to take her in the house and I'm going to give her a bath. Straight to the bath. She enjoying this walk. Okay, so we're back home and I just gave her some ice water. I'm about to give her a bath. You ready for your bath? You ready to take a bath? Yeah? Let's go. I know. Sit right there and I'll be right back, okay? I'm going to get your dry towel. Okay, so this all Butter's supplies for her bath time. Her nail clipper, her brush and comb, her nail grinder to round her nails out, her little paw brush, and some scissors. So yeah. You ready? Yeah? It's a lot of noise out here, y'all. She is very distracted, but she is very clean as well. Can y'all see her? I don't know if y'all can see her or not. Butter is officially done with her bath, and now all I gotta do is, I'm gonna do this later on, but I'm gonna grind her nails down, like round them out so they won't be so scratched and like blunt. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. I didn't cut them, but they like just straight, so it's like real sharp. So I'm gonna round them out. But right now I'm gonna go take my shower, and yeah. Oh yeah, y'all see my shirt? Today was a work day, but I didn't go to work today. We'll talk about that in a minute. We in Walmart right now, y'all. Getting some stuff, grocery shopping, no.
I'm gonna make a cornbread in this, and I'm gonna pour it. Y'all see Mike $65?
Oh snap! Let's go. Let me put in my purse. What you got? Let me see it. Show it. Show it. What you got? Stephen King Holly. Hold on. I'm finna act. Hi.
Walmart used to have them. Or you can play the game.
Oh yeah. Yep, that's. You know where we can go? GameStop. And see what games they got. Hey, we never did get that what was it? Look at the pajamas. Those are huge though. Wait.
So what's that?
I'm gonna put something soft under that.
This is so soft.
Like this is this got a cut on it? Yeah, give me another one. You want another one? Yes.
They got all different kind of pajamas. That's cute. Cheers. I would wear that. Or we could have like family pajamas. And these is cute, and they got the little pants to them. They could have like yeah, it's cute too. I'll be cold. I had to get me a set with like some pants on it or something. Ooh. I'm always cold, y'all. If y'all watch my other vlog, y'all seen me tell y'all about the situation about me being cold.
I want to try it.
A lot of people be using this. I would like to try it too. We had charcoal toothpaste before. You had the 3D white. This right here, this what you had.
It's the stuff that actually works.
How you know it worked?
Because I seen it. I'm just going to get it. Excuse me.
Oh, you finna buy it? Okay, big money. Scasia wanna buy this. It's called His Smile. Oh. High Smile. That's a hog head? You better stop.
I ain't never seen that.
I ain't never seen it either, Sky.
Oh my God. Look at his eyes.
How much
Look
it
at the
cost?
eyeball.
Look at his eyes. And look at his ears.
Ew.
Want some hog head cheese?
Homemade hog head. Ew.
I ain't never seen it. Oh, look at the neck. You can see his
Ew.
like a butthole.
I cannot. What is that?
I guess it's where his spine goes. Put your
Oh
finger in
my
there. Put your finger in
goodness.
there. Look,
I'm surprised Tiny said, ooh.
no, look on the inside. Put your finger in there.
That look good. I don't know about that. And they got the chocolate too. Oh my goodness. What's that? Pumpkin. Oh no. S'mores. Look. The princess and the frog. Look, Sky.
What's
Beignets.
that? What's a beignet? Is
You
that
know the little biscuits from Princess and the Frog? Yeah, Louisiana biscuits or whatever they call them.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, excuse me.
Don't like Takis no more? They got all kind of Takis. Sweet chili. I like sweet chili. Well, I like the Doritos. I don't know about these. They got all types of Takis. Like, what is it about Takis? I don't know. The older I get, I can't eat all this spicy stuff. I can't eat it. Oh, these probably good. They got cookies and cream. Let me see. Birthday cake. Make sure that ain't cracked. It's crushed.
Don't matter.
Birthday cake tops. Getting some honeycombs. Skies want honeycombs.
I don't think I'm gonna get this.
What?
I'm gonna try the Starbucks cake pop.
He's so indecisive.
I know.
Let me ask you out the way.
This
Two
big one.
mushrooms and 3 of these.
you think it's the same time?
If not, when you
Wanna show it? Put the dressing. Can I get some bologna or something?
Want bologna or ham? Ham.
Get
Want some ham. Or
they done bought up the Hillshire Farm. You ain't lying. Can you get the bologna?
ham.
They ain't got the regular kind.
What's over there?
Oh, you can get the oh, I didn't even see that right there. Want to?
Which one?
Yeah, we can get this the chop. The not the lean, the chop. Low fat. It won't have no taste to it. Check the date on it. February. Yeah, that one look no, get another one. Look all balled up. I know it. Yeah, this one look good. Yep, I eat the bananas too. That's all they greens?
I knew they was going in them strawberries. Okay. How you doing? Just missing my order. Get some meat.
Yeah, we're gonna help you out for your pain.
Ooh, that scared me.
wanted to feel it.
You went. All right, we got our greens, y'all. I think these collards and turnips. We got a little bit of everything in here. Got our bread, we got our cream of mushroom, got our pans, cereal, fruit. Got some butter. Skysia wants some cake. So, what you want? Like cupcakes or a pound cake? Slice of cake? Look at this little cute one, meat. Little personal cake. It's $5. You want the slice of cake?
Slice it. Do they even have it?
You talking about like that?
No. It's
But like regular?
It's like, I don't know.
Little individual. I know what you're
It's
talking
not
about.
like
I know what you're talking about, like the slanted little individuals. Oh, no. Kind of like that piece of lemon cake that I showed you. Oh, no. Ooh, this one looks good. I'm going to get them.
Why they picked over these things?
They did that another year. Remember that? I don't know where we had went.
Thanksgiving, too.
Yep. And they had the little bitty
What time
ones.
is appreciation?
It is 8:06.
Okay, so really this only one.
I already ate a whole bag of marshmallows that one night. I can't do that
did. We can make s'mores.
You don't get hot chocolate anyway.
S'mores and the graham crackers and the chocolate. She said potatoes, the sweet potatoes have hair. Oh. Yeah. They got veins.
That's how these were gonna quick.
Ew, me. The potato got veins. Ew.
You okay, sister? I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
You stuck your thumb in there.
Get another bag for me, y'all.
This one look like a drumstick. Look, it got a piece of hair. Ah! It's something hairy. Okay. Scott said I be vlogging everything. I do. Big snacks. Coffee. Think it might be down here? Yeah. Probably so, huh? We're looking for hot chocolate, y'all. Hot chocolate. Right here, babe. Look. Right here. They got the 30. Well, no, that's open. They got the individual scoops. 34 servings. I had like the scoop. 16.
Get another one.
You just need an individual pack. Here goes some. Look. Here go. Look. Right here,
I
John.
just need like a small cheap one.
You just need one, right? Here, it's 2 in here
How many?
for $1. Oh, I tried them.
What's that?
You like them?
Yes,
I
those
don't
are
like
good.
them. Probably because I don't eat sweets like that. But I've been craving one of these. Look at that.
I want to try one of these.
It looks so good.
Should I
But I
get
ain't gonna get it. Yes, you should. If you want it, get it. Yes. I ain't know Walmart had their own brand of chocolate. Wonder how that tastes. Oh, I used to love these. Let me see.
No, no.
Oh,
I don't have a lot of
I'm not a fan.
This stuff is good.
You want to get a score? A score.
Those are nasty. Those are like Heath balls.
Ooh, they go bueno.
Heath balls like this.
Bueno. What else we got? Butterfinger. Lord Patty. And Skittlers. You can't go wrong with the Skittlers.
Sometimes Skittles
You don't like Skittles? I had some of these, but they weren't the version 2. They was the regular kind. And guess who ate them? Butter. If y'all have a dog, don't leave y'all stuff laying around. That little thing ate up my earbuds. I tore up too.
nail file.
Yeah, she said she want to do her nails when we get home. You gonna do mine? Exit here. Got everything packed up. That song too. Trouble don't last always. She had mentioned the chicken broth in it. It's stuffed with shrimp and sausage jambalaya. Ew, it's got fish. Meat. These the little chickens I was telling you about. Yeah. There's just personal little chickens.
See, look. Look at them that. Thank you, Sky. Yeah.
I know, me too. Like a personal little container of macaroni and cheese. Look, they got the spiral kind. That's some good stuff right there.